This is the STYLPRO Face and Body Smoother. It features red light and near infrared, which helps smooth the appearance of fine lines, while also blue, red, and near infrared help achieve clearer looking skin. First, apply a moisturizer or serum. Avoid strong or active ingredients. Press and hold the power button to turn on. The device will start in red light mode at intensity level 1. Short press to cycle through intensity levels. You can see your intensity level indicated here. After intensity levels, continue short pressing to cycle through modes, and the same short presses to dictate their intensity. Once your mode is selected, begin your treatment. Glide slowly across the skin while keeping consistent contact. On the face, it's chin to cheek to temple, brows to hairline, and the neck upwards. For the body, always make sure the movements are in an upward motion. 10 minutes would be an ideal session length for the body. And then it's a long press and hold to turn off. Don't forget to wipe clean with a damp cloth. You can charge your device using the included USB-C mains charger.